Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and as always this is Jendi, and today I am super happy and I'm super excited because my account has been accepted for YouTube monetization in less than 24 hours. Yes, in less than 24 hours. It was just a day when I got to 4,000 watch time hours, YouTube watch time hours, and today I'm happy. Less than 24 hours. Actually, yesterday it was around 12:30 p.m. and today around 11 a.m. on 15th. Yesterday it was on 14th. Today is on 15th. I found that message that congratulations, your account has been accepted, the YouTube monetization program. And actually this is the best news, because some people ask themselves, how long does it take for you to get monetized, for your account to be approved for YouTube monetization? And actually I have seen this. It's so interesting, so beautiful. Like, I thought it would take days or weeks or months, but to my surprise, less than 24 hours, just almost 20 hours. I applied for Google AdSense and YouTube monetization, and I have been approved. So guys, I want us to go down to my channel and see it practically. I got monetized in less than 24 hours. So without wasting time, let's get back there. Hello guys, good news. As you can see here, I just got this message less than 24 hours. Congratulations, you have been accepted into the YouTube partner program. You can now monetize your videos and access support. So, important notifications. Welcome to YouTube partner program. Congratulations, you have been accepted into the YouTube partner program. You can now monetize your channel and contact support. Wow, these are so amazing. As you can see here on the dashboard section, you can see your estimated revenue here. You can see it over here. It's 00. It was not there before, and now things are right. Now let's go to analytics. If you go to analytics now, you can see I have seen this revenue section here and the revenue section here. And because this is a new account, a new monetized channel, you can see I have nothing. It's 0 on the last 28 days. If you want to put lifetime, it's 0. Now you can see this section where I have months. It's 000. It's new, just new. And now I can go to this monetization section, and now as you can see, earn money from your YouTube channel. See, always you can earn money for what you love to do. And you can see monetization options, video advertising. Advertisers can learn ads on your videos that follow our advertiser friendly guidelines. So guys, now this is so awesome. Like, now I'm monetized. Now I can do things that I thought I would not do. So guys, thank you so much for following this, and it's so super amazing. So, and now a thing that I can do once I get monetized, or once you get monetized, you come to content. When you come to content, now you will see for each and every video the monetization thing is here. It's written off, and now you can go turning them manually on. And you can see for the videos that have copyright claims, you can see this option that is written, this video cannot be monetized. It's ineligible for monetization because it has copyright issues. So you can see you should always make sure that your videos don't have issues with monetization. Your video doesn't have any copyright issues, or make sure that you don't have any restrictions like in these videos. So what you need to do is that note that you're going to go to here and put on. So on this video now, you can see the monetization is on. This video is being monetized. You can see it's loading, and once it is done, you'll be able to see some few things. So if you want to monetize all videos once you are in the YouTube partner program, you're going to see, after you see this message for congratulations, you're going to see monetize videos and dismiss. And because I want to monetize all my videos at once, I'm going to click on monetize videos, and as you can see, it's opening a new tab, and set monetization preferences. Do you want to monetize existing videos? Be sure your videos comply with the advertiser-friendly guidelines. If you are not sure, turn on monetization for each video separately. Intentionally mispresenting your content can lead to a channel being reviewed for your YouTube partner program eligibility. So, as for my case, I'm going to click on monetize all videos, and I'm going to monetize them with all these types of ads, overlay ads, the display ads. It's automatically selected, the sponsors card, the skippable video ad, the non-skippable ad video ads, location of videos, turn on ads during video, mid-roll breaks will be set automatically. You can change them later. I'll teach you on how to put mid-roll ads on your videos that are over 8 minutes long. So I'm going to click on amplify preferences, and as you can see now, updating videos, it's safe to navigate away. Wait before making another bulk update. And now, as you can see, the video, only these videos that I had put monetization on, the other videos are off. So we are waiting for the updating videos so that we can see all the videos will be monetized, except the videos that are ineligible. They have a copyright claim. So let's wait for some few minutes. My internet is a bit slow, so I'm just waiting for some few seconds. Be sure to stay with me. But meanwhile, this is so amazing, getting monetized in less than 24 hours. It's super amazing, super amazing. So guys, you should be creating content that are worth watching, and this is so amazing, guys. I'm so happy, I'm so super excited. I can't wait to share with my friends how I got monetized, and boom, it's done. 12 of the 14 videos successfully monetized. So you can see now I'm going to refresh. I'm going to refresh so that we can see whether all the videos have been monetized, and let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. And now, as you can see, guys, we have monetization turned on for each and every video, except the one that has copyright claims. And we want to do a test, and this test is going to be simple. We're going to open this video. You're going to open this video, go on YouTube, and let's see whether we have an advert. Let's see whether we have an advert. And as already you can see me. My account is monetized. I'm so happy, and this is super amazing, guys. So thank you for watching, guys, and I'm so grateful. This has been a journey, and boom, wow, you have seen my account has been monetized in less than 24 hours. It's super amazing. Now I can make content, I can make videos that are good for monetization. As you can see, I have turned on all my videos to be monetized. And one thing I need to give you some few ideas that I think are right is that you should avoid uploading videos that have copyright issues, because those videos can even make your channel to be given a strike. So guys, always make sure that you upload videos that does not have a copyright issue, because they will not be monetized. They can violate policy violations of policy, all those things. They will violate all those policy issues. And guys, this is amazing. I'm just excited. I was just wondering how long it takes for YouTube to accept the application, but this is amazing news. I'm so happy, I'm super excited. And now it depends. My account didn't have issues about any policy violation, like invalid clicks, invalid traffic. So you need to make good content, share with your friends, improve on your marketing strategies, so that you can start earning money on YouTube. And guys, I'm so super excited. Once again, I don't know what to say. So create content, continue creating content. As I get monetized, you have seen I have ads on my videos. Now it's time for me to earn. So on the next video, I'm going to show you on how to customize your YouTube channel, so that it can be viable, good for people who are watching your channel. So guys, thank you. Till next time, this is JND. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And on my guy behind the camera, MCJJ, bigger brother, and be blessed. I want to show you my guy who is always behind my camera.
Yeah, we are monetized. Mimi hiyo kizungu siwezi. Kizungu naongea hapa mimi siwezi. Sisi nakaa pale. So hiki kitu si scam.
Yeah.
Wengi wanasema ni scam, kitu ni reality manze. Hata mimi nafurahia, lakini mimi ngojeni kwanza. Mimi nataka kwanza nionje hizi pesa. Adili pesa sasa. Nipe 200. So hiyo account imetusumbua. Hiyo account tulifungua.
Yeah, sure.
Tufungua
Tulifungua 2016.
Tufungua 2016.
Yes. And now today 2021 on
2021
July.
Mimi miaka ngapi?
Miaka 5.
Miaka 5.
Miaka 5 ya kutafuta subscribers
na viewers na watch time hours.
Hiyo ni hard maze, but if you keep that consistency, maze, you're going to make it through.
Yeah, so u create content manze, una create content safi yenye itakuwa na copyright claim, alafu naika pale na unatutumbia, una share na mabest wa like na alafu kitu kingine umesahau kuambia usikuwa na skip ad sasa.
Msikuwa na skip ad. Lakini one thing, ukikuwa monetized, usikue una watch ads zako ati una click. Hizo ni invalid click na inaweza fanya account yako ifungwe.
Yes.
So guys, ukiwatch our videos on YouTube,
yes, please
skip ad maze, usiskip ad.
Kikubo unaacha hapo unaenda kunywa maji, unapata iko imeisha.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. That's the MCJJ, and he's the man always behind my camera. These tutorials that I make, all the videos that I make, he's the man behind the camera. And maze, big time MCJJ. And till next time, don't forget to subscribe. We love you all.